Right, so I'm going to avoid saying your name because this is videoing now, and so it'll be other people will be able to watch it later on. So we're just looking at some questions on fractions and how to add them. Now the trick is first, as we want the denominator to be the same. The denominator is the number at the bottom, the 4 and the 3. We want it to be the same. Now the easiest way to make them the same is by multiplying them by each other, and then in this case, if we multiply 3 and 4, it'll be over 12. So we can turn them to be something over 12. Now 3 over 4 is actually the same. Well, to work it, what is it in terms of over 12? Well, how did I get to from 4 to 12? I multiplied it by 3. So to get from 4 to 12, I multiplied by 3. So I multiply the top number by 3 as well. So I made a mistake with that one there. So how did I get the bottom 3 to 12? I multiplied by 4. So I do that. Okay. So 3/4 is the same as 9/12. 1/3 is the same as 4/12. All right. Now adding those numbers together will be 13 over 12. And that's your answer for that one. Okay. I'm going to do another one. Don't worry, you can talk in this because your voice isn't being recorded, just my voice. So if you want to double check anything, even while I'm making the video, that's fine. So did that one make sense? Yeah, so I've turned the 3 over 4 to 9 over 12, and I've turned the 1 over 3 into 4 over 12. So now we're going to do the same with number 2. We've got to find what denominator it will be, and what denominator do we want this time, do you think? Don't worry about it. Are you using a touch screen? Let me show you. I'll just pause this for a moment. So beforehand, the common denominator was 12 because the common multiple was 12. Sorry, because 4 and 3 go into 12. So we want something that 7 and 2 go into. So what number will 7 and 2 go into? Right. So we're going to make them both. Whoops. We're going to make them both 14. Something over 14. So 5 over the same 7 is the same as what over 14? So 5 over 7 is the same as 10 over 14 because I multiplied the 7 by 2 to get 14, so I'm going to multiply the 5 by 10. And 1/2, it would be the same as 7 over 14. Okay? So basically 5/7 is 10 over 14. 1/2 is the same as 7 over 14. Now we have the same denominator. We can add them together. So it's 17 over 14. Like that.